Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 440 model. It's in great shape. It works great. The battery is brand new on this, so you have long life out of this one. So I'll get right to the beginning here. We got the charger right here. It's in great shape. We got the true virtual wall. Just push a button here. Turns on and off. They work great and they almost look like they're new. So, in great shape. We've got the used side brush here. Has some plenty of life left in it. So, in case the other one worms out, we have another one on the side. Got two brand new filters here and one slightly used. So you get 3 filters in total extra. And we got the Roomba itself here. So this item is used, it's not brand new. So I'll just show you how it looks like. For more details you can take a look at the pictures and you can see more details there. Just a normal wear or this one. It has been thoroughly cleaned and disinfected, so you get a nice clean Roomba. Alrighty, I'll flip it over here in a second. Our side brush right here. Get the front wheel. A brand new battery installed here. So very nice and clean Roomba here. And gears have been re-lubed and cleaned out, so you got almost like a new Roomba here. So it's all clean. Alrighty. And the brushes are like new also. I mean, they got plenty of life left in them. Alrighty, so it's nice and clean. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and let me know. I'll turn this on so you'll see that it works. Thanks for watching.